Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can download Instagram Reels or Instagram videos into your iPhone photos. So before starting this short tutorial, make sure you hit that subscribe button for daily interesting tutorials. So first of all, you will have to open the Instagram application. Now for example, I click on the Reels section and for example, I want to download this reel. So you will have to click on three dots. Now you can see here's the option of copy link. Now click on it and the link has been copied. Now go back and open the any of your browser. I will open the Chrome browser. So first of all, you will have to search Instagram video downloader. So you can see there are many websites. You will have to open the saveinsta.app, the second one. Now paste the link and click on download. Now close this ad and you can see a download video option. Click on it and the video and the download button has appeared. Now click on download and the video is downloaded. So you can see in downloads the video is being downloaded and you can open it and play it. So if your problem is being solved, make sure to hit that like button for daily interesting videos. Thank you.